Today let us introduce our this CT-PT analyzer. First, PT testing and error testing. Ensure that the equipment is well grounded before starting use. About this testing, we need to use these 4 test ports of the device. The red and black wires are connected to the high voltage side of the test object, and the yellow and green wires are connected to the low voltage side of the test object. Like this, the red and black wire are connected to the potential transformer high voltage side head and end. The yellow and green wire are connected to the potential transformer low voltage side. After finishing the wiring, we turn on the equipment. The power supply used in this video is 220 volt and 60 Hz. Press the black button up to open the device. Twist black button and press to select 60 Hz. Use the black button to enter the PT test. Select the ratio testing. The test object is a 10 kV 100 volt potential transformer. It is recommended to select 400 volts test voltage on the primary side. The secondary side selects 100 volts according to the nameplate of the test object. Before starting the test, turn on the red switch. After hearing the sound of the device, we use the black button to select test and press it to start the test. After the test finishing, we can print and save the test result. We can choose any 4-digit save number before saving. Now the PT testing is over. Press back to enter error testing. Error testing is according to the nameplate of the test object. Primary side select 10 kV. Select 100 volt on the secondary side. We select the burden to the subject's nameplate. The red switch also needs to be turned on before the test starts. Press test to start. Turn off the red switch timely after the test is completed. Now the PT testing and error testing are both over. Now let us introduce the CT testing. We need to use the 4 terminals of the equipment P1, P2, S1 and S2 for wiring. This is the wiring diagram. The test object is a 3005 through-core current transformer. The red wire goes through the test object and connects to the other end of the device by the black wire. The secondary side is connected to the corresponding port of the current transformer. After the wiring is completed, we connect a 220 volts and 60 Hz power supply. Before starting the test, ensure that the equipment is well grounded. Press up to the black button to open the device. Choose 60 Hz. Enter CT and choose ratio testing. When doing the CT testing, we should set the primary current at the 20% of the variable ratio. The test object is a 3005 current transformer. We recommend setting the primary current to 300 ampere 5 ampere. Before start the testing, turn on the red switch. For showing, we set the primary current to 100 ampere. Choose test and press the button to start the testing. Now the testing is over, we can print and save the test results. Press back to back, turn off the red button and the CT testing introduction is over. Now let us introduce CT and PT excitation testing. Before using the device, ensure that the device is well grounded. About wiring, we use this wiring diagram. We need to use the K1 and K2 port to do the testing. For CT excitation testing, the yellow line is connected to the test object S1. The green line is connected to the test object S2. After the wiring is completed, we connect the device to a 220 volts and 60 Hz power supply. Press up the black button to open the device. Choose 60 Hz to enter. Choose CT and excitation testing. The test object is a 3005 current transformer. We set the voltage to 50 volts. This setting can be referred to the transformer factory report. Higher than the factory report is OK. Setting the current to 1 ampere. After the setting, turn on the red button. When we hear the sound of the device, we click Test to start the testing. After the test is complete, we can print and save the test results. Press back to back. Now let us introduce PT excitation testing. About the wiring, we still use the same wire diagram. The difference is that we connect the line to the secondary side of the voltage transformer. The yellow and green line are connected to low voltage side of the voltage transformer 1A 1B or 2A 2B. After the wiring is complete, we choose PT and enter excitation testing. Now we need to set the rated secondary voltage. The test object is 10 kV 100 volts potential transformer. We set it to 100 volts. Still set the testing current to 1 ampere. About the testing voltage, our factory report is 120 volts. We set it to 150 volts. After well setting, turn on the red button and press Test to start the testing. Now the CT and PT excitation testing introduction is over.
Thank you for watching the tutorial video prepared by Hipot Tester.